Hello, my name is Madhu. I'm from Nagaland. I find interesting in photography, and I went through internet in search of some photography institutions in India, and there I came across Axis-based multimedia, which is based in Bangalore, and there I happened to get in touch with Sir Rahul, who is the mentor of this photography institution. I am done with my advanced photography course, which is a professional course. I also learned about many different journals of photography where we did a lot of indoor and outdoor photography shoots. Being a part of this exhibit-based multimedia family, I'm very happy with this institution, and it's very exciting and satisfying. We also had a lot of fun. I also recommend this Axis-based multimedia to my other friends who's interested in photography. I hope this institution will produce more professional photographers with flying colors. I wish this Axis-based multimedia good luck.